Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video from Yamparalamedia. I'm your host Rahul, and in today's video, we'll be looking into what's happening in CES 2025 from a designer perspective. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we have for this video is from BMW, which is BMW's new Panoramic iDrive. So what's unique about it? So in CES 2025, there are a lot of automobile companies who presented their cars with futuristic tech, and one of which I really liked and got impressed was from BMW. So as you can see on my screen, so they have a new main screen design, which is not as regular boxy type of designs or the interface that we see in our cars, but they went with a polygram, little bit of tilted, like a parallel tilted 75% tilt is found in the display, which means for the designers in the future there would be no boxy designs, and the demand for the cross designers will definitely increase. So what it means with cross designers means the designers who can not only design for web, mobile, but they can also design for new interfaces like in car display or in homeware displays and many more. So being a designer, you need to expand your creativity and your skill set for cross platforms. So that's one main thing. Second, we can see that BMW introduced a dynamic UI customization, which is dependent upon the users. So users have a full control of customizing the UI based on their taste. And if it is in a sports mode, the UI automatically turns itself into a red, which introduces as a power. So note for a designers is demand for UI will decrease because AI can get the first cut easily. You need to focus on the user experience. Like UI will not be prominent because the customization is into the hands of the user. But how you give the option to customize it will be a differentiating factor. Next we have heads-up display plus AR. So as you can see on the screen, BMW in 2013 or 18 they introduced the heads-up display in their cars, but this time the display is more dynamic. It have different colors and it is used for showing the direction to the driver who is seeing the view at the front. So this is something which standed out because here the technology of artificial intelligence plus augmented reality is seen, which is not the skill set that many designers try out. So the note for designers here is whenever you are starting a project or get a project, try to have the virtual reality or augmented reality stuff into it. If you are designing for a medical application, try to add a augmented reality medical pill identification or something which is somewhat futuristic, which gives a push to your portfolio. Next we have end-to-end widgets plus definitely AI. So as you can see, BMW introduced a mid screen, like a strip of screen which is stretched to end in their car, which have around 6 widgets, starting from the first one which uses the main driver will be seeing the parking, speed, and in the center we have AI, and then we have the Spotify, weather and other air quality widgets. So it is very stretched out, and in their demo they have shown 6 widgets, and I'm hoping that they will introduce more. So this is what user interface would change in the future, that everyone in the car and everyone in the application, whoever is using, they will get a dynamic user interface, plus they will get options to customize it, and they will have a end-to-end support in sense means like widgets, whatever is required for them. And as you can see that the AI itself in here is in spherical shape with a tilt of eyes, which gives a characteristic to the personal assistant. Last but not the least, where is Apple in this game? So it's been a long time. Apple promised their next gen CarPlay in 2024, and even that they also mentioned it on their website and they didn't change. So that's being a question. I'm excited like what they are cooking. I'm hoping that as they brought something new in virtual reality through their Vision Pro, I'm hoping that they will bring something unique in their CarPlay too. So that's a wrap for BMW. I will see you in the next one. So keep following this series. and I'm excited to see you in the next one.